Hey everybody, Shannon Marin here with the Marin Marketing Team, Royal LePage and Nanaimo Realty. This is your community update for the week. And today we are interviewing local businesses in Campbell River, and we have Lloyd Ayers here from Ayers Insurance. Hello, Lloyd.
Thanks for having me, Shannon.
You're welcome. So, I have some questions for you.
Keep them clean.
I will try. So, tell us what it is that you do.
Well, basically, I'm a life insurance broker. Been doing it for 24 years. I protect people from bad things happening when bad things do happen to them. And also I help them to invest for a better future.
Okay. As much as we don't want to think about the bad things happening, you do need to prepare.
They do happen.
So how did you get to this career?
In 1995, I was very frustrated in what I was doing. I was managing a local furniture store, and I wanted to see what I could do all by myself. I like the idea of being a lone wolf, and I still like it.
That's very interesting.
Yes.
Furniture to insurance.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so how are you going to help us and our clients? That's what we want to know.
Well, a lot of people don't take the purchase of insurance seriously enough. They simply sign a paper at the bank or the lending institution, and they don't realize what they have. What they buy is an inferior product. Some of the key points as to why they should deal with a broker like myself is they have more flexibility, generally less cost per month. And there's a myriad of other reasons. I'm on camera, so I'm a little nervous. I can't remember them all now. So, but they should deal with a broker.
Yeah, I think that a lot of people don't realize that when you have insurance through the bank, that just coverages your mortgage.
Correct.
And you know, there's nothing left over to leave for your family. So if your mortgage is paid down in one of your policies, there's something left over to leave for your family.
Let's say typically somebody in their early 30s gets a mortgage for $400,000. They take out a 20-year term with me. The amount of insurance remains consistent for the full 20 years. So if they've done a good job, worked hard, got their mortgage down to $200,000, and something happens in 10, 12 years' time, the bank only pays out what's owing on the mortgage. Where with a policy through me, they would pay out the full $400,000. So there would be a nest egg for the family as well as the mortgage being cleared off.
Excellent. Okay. So, what is the most rewarding thing about your business?
Well, not to get too personal, but I come from a background. I'm going to get personal, why not? My parents
Let them see who Lloydie is.
My parents both passed away before I was 20, and I realized the hardship. My mom didn't have insurance on a property, and so I really feel good about, especially with families when there's young children, going away and knowing there's a nice amount of insurance on them. And should something tragic happen to either spouse, the kids are going to be looked after. That is really rewarding to me.
And it's important. What is the most frustrating thing you encounter?
The fact that people do not take their insurance needs seriously enough and sort of just fluff it off until there is a problem. And lots of times when there is a problem, it's too late. They should be more serious about the products and how it would affect their loved ones should they get injured, ill, or die.
Yeah, okay. Now, I know from experience, Lloyd has come to me and looked at my previous policy that I had, realized I was paying too much for too little, and reworked it and got me into something better. So I can speak from experience that, Lloydie knows what he's doing on this end of things. So.
Darn straight I do.
So, never mind work, what do you do for fun?
Well, I know a lot of crazy realtors. I hang out with a bunch of them in different levels. That's one of the things I do for fun. I like to play poker. I really enjoy spending time with my wife most of the times. My wife, she is what are you? You're not a Libra. You're a Gemini. So sometimes it's good days, bad days. So on the good days, it's the most excellent of times. Dancing bear, next day, growling bear. But I love my wife. I love Shannon. I love everybody out there.
Your wife is very lovable. And you're only spending time with her when I'm not out hiking with her. Is that true?
That's true. I'd like to spend more time with you, but you're busy. You are operating a successful real estate career. You have a lot of stuff going on with various people within your organization. So kudos to you. I miss you, but I understand why I never see you, and keep rocking.
I miss you too. We
Right.
will have
We hug you
strawberry milk and tequila soon.
Okay, are we waving bye-bye to the club? Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for having me, Shannon.
Thanks for coming.